show you how to add a GIF or a GIF to your Instagram comment just like this. So for that, you have to make sure that you have the latest version of Instagram. So you're going to go to your App Store or Google Play Store and check your Instagram app. You can see my app is updated. So you need to make sure that it's updated. Once it's done, you're going to get back to your Instagram. So actually sending a GIF is really easy, and you will get the option right here with your comment. Where you write your comment, you will get a GIF option. Just like this. You can see now I have a GIF option here where I will write my comment, but you need to keep in mind that this option might not be available to you yet because this is a latest feature that Instagram has introduced, and it is also said to be in a testing phase now. That is why a lot of people cannot actually see the GIF option on their Instagram app. So if you're not seeing this option, then you will just have to wait for it, and it will be available soon. So some people are actually seeing this option, and once you do, it will be available just here where you write your comment. There is no such procedure to find this option or to add this option on Instagram. It will be just available when the feature will be introduced completely. So you just have to wait, make sure to upgrade your Instagram and wait for the GIF option, and after that you will be able to send GIFs just like this on Instagram comments and make it more creative and fun. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.